Today we're tackling 45 of the most annoying household problems, lightning fast. Ever had a clogged sink before guests arrive? Or a wobbly table that ruins your drink? Not anymore. I found the smartest hacks using stuff you already have at home. No fancy tools, no pros needed. We're fixing everything from stinky trash cans to scratched furniture in seconds. Watch the whole video. There's at least 10 hacks here that'll change your life. Ready to become a household ninja? Let's get started. No time to waste. This is the most jam-packed, useful video you'll see today. Let's stop talking and start fixing. Let the challenge begin. First up, the dreaded clogged sink. Forget expensive drain cleaners. Here's a fix that costs pennies. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, then a cup of white vinegar. Watch it fizz for 10 minutes. After that, blast it with hot water. Your drain will be clear. No scrubbing, no chemicals. It's that easy. Problem solved in minutes. Streaky windows making your house look dirty? Ditch the store-bought cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Spray it on, then wipe with crumpled newspaper. The newspaper polishes and leaves zero lint. Result: crystal clear, streak-free windows every time. You'll never go back to paper towels. Foggy bathroom mirror after a shower? Here's the fix. Rub a bit of shaving cream onto the mirror, then wipe it off with a clean cloth. The invisible film keeps your mirror fog-free for days. No more smudges, no more waiting. Get ready right after your shower every time. It's a game changer for busy mornings. Scratched your wooden furniture? Don't panic. Grab a walnut, crack it open, and rub the meat into the scratch. The natural oils fill and darken the mark. Watch the scratch disappear in seconds. No expensive products needed. It's like a magic eraser for wood. Microwave a mess? Don't scrub for hours. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, squeeze in a lemon, and toss the halves in. Microwave for 3 minutes. Let it sit for a minute, then wipe the inside clean. The steam loosens grime. No effort required. Everything wipes off easily, plus your microwave smells fresh. Done in minutes. Squeaky door driving you nuts? Skip the hardware store. Use cooking oil or petroleum jelly. Wipe a little on the hinge, open and close the door a few times. The squeak vanishes instantly. No more midnight horror movie sounds. Peace and quiet restored. Loose screw that won't tighten. Here's the fix. Stick a wooden matchstick or toothpick in the hole. Break it flush. Screw back in. The wood fills the gap. The screw holds tight, just like new. No need for bigger screws or repairs. Old school trick, works every time. Wobbly table ruining your coffee? Cut a small piece of cardboard, fold it, slide it under the short leg. Add layers until it's stable. No tools, no mess. Instantly fixes the wobble. Enjoy a rock-solid table. Sticky wooden drawer? Don't fight it. Rub a dry bar of soap along the runners and frame. The waxy soap acts as a lubricant. Put the drawer back. Now it glides smoothly. No sanding, no hardware needed. Your furniture feels brand new. Fridge smells weird? Here's the fix. Open a box of baking soda and place it on a shelf. It absorbs odors 24/7. Replace every month or two for a fresh fridge. No more mystery smells. Simple and effective. Stinky shoes after a long day? Sprinkle baking soda inside, shake to distribute, and leave overnight. In the morning, dump out the powder. Odor gone. Shoes are fresh. No sprays or inserts needed. Easy, cheap, and works every time. Trash can still stinks after you take out the bag. Sprinkle baking soda in the bottom before adding a new bag. It absorbs leaks and neutralizes odors. Takes 2 seconds. Keeps your kitchen smelling clean. No more lingering trash smell. Musty closet? Skip chemical air fresheners. Fill a sachet or coffee filter with fresh coffee grounds, tie it up, and hang it in your closet. Coffee absorbs odors and leaves a warm, inviting scent. Clothes stay fresh. Your closet smells like a coffee shop. Dull knife? Don't buy a sharpener. Flip a ceramic mug upside down. Use the rough ring as a sharpening surface. Drag the blade across at a 20-degree angle, a few times each side. Instantly sharper and safer. Works in seconds, just be careful. It'll be razor sharp. Measuring sticky stuff like honey is a mess. Spray your measuring cup with non-stick spray first. The honey slides right out, no scraping. Perfect measurements. Easy cleanup, no more sticky mess. Brown sugar turned to a brick? Put it in a bowl, cover with a damp paper towel and microwave in 15-second bursts. The steam softens it instantly. Scoop and use as normal. No more wasted sugar. Ready in under a minute. Dropped eggshell in your bowl? Use a larger piece of eggshell to scoop it out. The sharp edge cuts through the white and the shell sticks to itself. No more chasing slippery bits. Works every time. Quick and easy. Ugly carpet dents after moving furniture? Place an ice cube in each dent and let it melt. The water fluffs up the fibers. Gently lift with your fingers or a fork. Dents disappear. Carpet looks new again. Pet hair all over your couch? Put on a rubber glove and wipe the fabric. Static pulls hair into clumps. Way better than a lint roller. Couch is fur-free in seconds. Button about to fall off and no time to sew? Dab clear nail polish on the threads. It hardens and holds the button in place, dries fast, invisible fix, lasts until you can sew it properly. Pet water bowl gets slimy fast. Scrub with baking soda and a paper towel. For extra cleaning, add a splash of vinegar. Removes slime and keeps it from coming back. Your pet gets a clean drink every time. Weeds and driveway cracks? Skip chemicals. Pour boiling water directly on the weeds. The heat kills them to the root. Safe, natural, and fast. Weeds gone by tomorrow. Sliding door stuck and squeaky? Clean the track with a vacuum and soapy water. Dry, then spray with silicone lubricant. Door glides like new, no handyman needed. Don't use WD-40, it attracts dirt. Fix takes just minutes. Gnats buzzing around your houseplants? Cover the soil with a layer of play sand after watering. Gnats can't lay eggs and larvae can't escape. Breaks the cycle for good. Plants stay healthy and bug-free. Bonus round, rapid fire hacks. Dust baseboards with a used dryer sheet to repel dust. Clean scuffed sneakers with white toothpaste and a toothbrush. For stuck jar lids, wrap a thick rubber band around the lid for extra grip. 3 hacks, 0 effort. Try them all today.